Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here a question that is called as the chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Yesterday we finished the preparation as well as the chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketone. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Clear? So we take the point here, beta. What? The chemical properties of what here? The carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Now take here, what is the chemical properties of carboxylic acid? Okay. So in the chemical properties, you know what is chemical properties? Those properties in which after the when the carboxylic acid react on another substance to form the new product called as the chemical properties of carboxylic acid. In the chemical property we see ना first point here, यहाँ पे पहला point start करके बेटा हम लोग what here the acidic character of what here the acidic characters of carboxylic acid. Acidic character of carboxylic acid. Why the carboxylic acid shows the acid in nature? So you know what is acid? So any substance when we dissolve in a water molecule, it give a H plus ion, so it is called as acid. So you know that in the carboxylic acid, the acidic character of carboxylic acid depend upon the carboxylic group. Which group here beta? Carboxylic group. Formula what here we take? COOH. It is called as what here? The carboxylic group. So the CO group means carboxylic group are define the acidic character of carboxylic acid. Clear hai beta? So in the carboxylic acid, the carboxylic group made of the one alcohol and second carbonyl group. So it is called the carboxylic acid. So when a carboxylic acid are dissolved in a water molecule, so what is the reaction here? So when what here beta? Carboxylic acid formula what here? The RCOH, clear, plus water molecule. So when we dissolve a carboxylic acid in a water molecule, the carboxylic acid give the H plus ion, what here, and to form the carboxylate ion, what here, the carboxylate ion. Clear? So what do we get here? We get RCOO negative plus H3O positive. It is called what here? So this atom means what here? It is called as the what here? Carboxylate ions. What here beta? Carboxylic acid ion. This reaction indicate the carboxylic acid are dissolved in a water molecule. It give the H plus ion. That's why the carboxylic acid show the acidic in nature. What here? Acidic in nature. Now in this point, second point, we take the carboxylic acid show the resonance halide. So any compound which contain a carbonyl group and negative charge are give the resonance structure. Resonance means delocalization of. What is resonance? The resonance means delocalization or movement of electron. It may be pi electron. Clear? So it is called as resonance. So the carboxylic acid, this is called as RCO group. So what here we take the carboxylic oxalate ion. When we rearrange, so this negative charge are converted into double bond and the double bond change into negative part. So what we get here? R as it is, this double bond change into what here? Which charge beta? Negative charge. Clear hai? And this negative charge are changed to what here? Double bond. So it is called as the first and second what here? Resonance halide. Clear? Means what is resonance halide? The delocalization of pi electron or a negative charge called resonance. If the any compound are give the resonance structure, it is called stabilized. That's why due to the resonance structure or any compound which show the more than two resonance structure, it is called as what? Acidic character. So the acidic character of a carboxylic acid show by one factor called what here? When we dissolve in a water molecule, it gives H plus ion. It is also called what here? The acidic character of carboxylic acid. Second, the any compound which give the resonance halide or which give the what here? More than one structure resonance called as what here? The acidic character. So on the basis of H plus ion giving and on the basis of resonance structure, the carboxylic acid show the which character? Acidic character. ठीक है बेटा? Okay. Now we take the next point here. Influence of what here बेटा? Influence of electronic. What here? Influence of electronic. So better the point here, electronic effect. Electronic effect on the acidity of what here? Of carboxylic acid. Of carboxylic acid. It means what is the effect of, or what is the electronic effect? What here beta? What is the electronic effect of what here? The compound on the acidity of the carboxylic acid. So first of all, what is the electronic effect? So the electronic effect is also called as what here beta? Inductive effect. ये याद रखो बेटा. This electronic effect is also called as what here? Inductive effect. Inductive effect. Clear बेटा? इसका second name. First name electronic effect, second inductive effect. What is inductive effect? So the substance are loss or gain the electron. It means the inductive effect, electron effect two types. One is called as the electron withdrawing group and second is called electron donating group. And एक जो group होगा बेटा electron लेगा means electron withdrawing group रहेगा और दूसरा जो एटम रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग है, इलेक्ट्रॉन देने वाला रहेगा. ठीक है, तो डिपेंड करेगा कौन सा एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग है और कौन सा विड्रॉइंग है. ठीक है, सो हियर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफेक्ट ऑन द एसिडिक कैरेक्टर ऑफ द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, which is a more acidic and which is a less acidic? How to determine which parameter? Which parameter are used to determine the what here? Which acid is a strong, which is a weak? So the pKa value, what here? The pKa value and what here? Ka value. This pKa value and Ka value are the parameter or are the substance we determine the what here? The acidic character of the what here? The any acid or carboxylic acid. Clear है? It means less the pKa value and more the what here beta? Ka value. So it form the more acidic substance. What form here? It form the more acidic or second name क्या आएगा बेटा? Strong acid. Strong acid. If the compound which have the less what here the beta K value and more the pK value, what here the compound form? The compound form is what here? Weak acid. What is form here? Weak acid. So depend upon the what here beta? The K value and pK value, we also measure the given acid is strong or weak. ये याद रखो, ये आपको मेमोराइज करना है बेटा कि विच पैरामीटर क्वेश्चन आता है आपको, ये आपको रिमेंबर करना है बेटा. ठीक है, रिमेंबर विच पैरामीटर आर यूज टू आइडेंटिफाई द स्ट्रेंथ और स्ट्रॉन्गनेस और वीकनेस ऑफ द एसिड. सो द pKa value and K value are used to identify the strength of the what here acid, weak acid or strong acid. So more the pKa value and less the Ka value, the compound is called as the weak acid. Then less the pK value, more the Ka value, the compound is called as more strong or what is strong acid is formed. So depend upon the pK value and Ka value, the compound also shows the what which nature? The strong and weak acid. Second condition here, the compound at which the or any carboxylic acid at which attached to the electron withdrawing group. So this electron withdrawing group also stabilize the carboxylic acid and show the strong acidic character. More the withdrawing group attached to the carboxylic acid, more will be the compound acidic in form. Clear? So we take the example here beta. Some example we take here. The pK value of haloacetic acid. Halo means the halogen attached to the acid called as a haloacid. You know halogen, there are 4 types of halogen: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, जो आपको पता है. ठीक है बेटा? So we take the first here. We take the example here. The pK value of haloacetic acid. Clear है बेटा? What is pK value? pK means the percentage of acidic constant, means less the pK value, more will be the acid, and more the pK value, less will be the acidic character. Clear है? Or acidic strain. So we take the first here, and it also depend upon the what here, the electron withdrawing group also. So if the any acid attached to the what here, the more electronegative atom, so it shows the more electron withdrawing character, and these electronegative atom are stabilize the carboxylic acid and shows the what here, more acidic character or more the acidic strength, and less is the pK value. So ये आपको याद रखना है बेटा, अगर कंपाउंड में किसी कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड से ग्रुप अगर अटैच्ड है, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन, you know that. So it depend upon the electronegativity. So you know which element in the halogen family or group 17 element, और which family है बेटा आपको पता है, halogen family बोलते हैं इसे हम लोग. ठीक है? और ग्रुप 17. ठीक है? So which element is a highly electronegativity negative? Those element in the group 17 or halogen family, those element which have the less atomic size. So fluorine has the atomic number 9, chlorine is 17, and bromine 35, and is the 53. So which is the less atomic size? Fluorine. So less the atomic size, more will be the what here, electronegative. So out of these 5, so fluorine is a more electronegative. That's why if the fluorine attached to what here beta, attached to the any acetic acid, clear? So it shows the what here, strong electron withdrawing group, strong electron withdrawing group. The withdrawing means electron taking group, electron withdrawing group, and shows minus I effect. What here? And shows minus I effect. क्लियर है बेटा? अगर किसी एसिड से अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम रहा तो वो ज़्यादा क्या दिखाएगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप दिखाएगा या माइनस आई इफेक्ट दिखाएगा. और अगर वो ग्रुप स्ट्रॉन्ग है एंड हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है तो उसकी पीके वैल्यू कम रहेगी और कंपाउंड क्या बनेगा, मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग बनेगा. ठीक है? तो एग्जाम्पल देखो बेटा यहाँ पर. फर्स्ट एफ अटैच टू CH2COH, सो इट शोज द लेस पीके वैल्यू 2.50 एज कंपेयर दिस. ये चारों देखेंगे बेटा आप, तो इसमें सबसे कम वैल्यू किसकी है बेटा, ये फर्स्ट वाले. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे लिखा ना बेटा, मोर द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम अटैच टू द एसिड, मोर shows the electron withdrawing character and stabilize the carboxylic acid and shows the what here, strong characteristic of the acid. तो इसमें से यहाँ पे देखो इसका जो वैल्यू है पीके वैल्यू 2.56 है. ठीक है? उसके बाद सेकंड देखो क्लोरीन एज कम्पेयर एफ, Cl इज द लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, सो शोज द हाई पीके वैल्यू. As compared to the Cl, Br is the less electronegative, shows the higher what here pKa value. As compared to iodine is the less electronegative, shows the higher pKa value. And last here acetic acid shows the what, higher pKa value. So the acidic strength or character is a decreases. Why decreases? Because the pKa value increases, so acidic character decreases or acidic strength decreases. That's why the acidity is directly affect or the electronic effect or what here, inductive effect directly affect on acidity. So the electron withdrawing group attached to the acid, it form the higher Ka value and less the pK value and more be the strong acid. क्लियर है? क्लियर है बेटा? अगर एक ग्रुप है, अगर F2 है बेटा और यहाँ पे Cl, यहाँ पे Cl1 है, तो more the electronegative atom attached to the acid, more will be the Ka value and less will be the pK value and compound form the more strong. क्लियर है बेटा? तो याद रखो आप. ठीक है? एग्जाम्पल नंबर नेक्स्ट ईयर, कुछ एग्जाम्पल दूसरे लिए हमने यहाँ पे बेटा पीके वैल्यूज ऑफ क्लोरो एसिटिक एसिड, स्पेशली Cl की एग्जाम्पल ले रही. व्हाट इज क्लोरो एसिटिक एसिड? सो वी टेक द कॉलम हियर नेम. व्हाट वी टेक फर्स्ट नेम, स्ट्रक्चर, पीके वैल्यू, एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ। सो हेयर आपको पता है बेटा, मोर द नंबर ऑफ व्हाट हियर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम अटैच टू द एसिड, मोर विल बी द एसिडिक कैरेक्टर एंड लेस विल बी द पीके वैल्यू। ये आपको याद रखना है यहाँ पर, ठीक है। देखो, मोनोक्लोरो एसिडिक एसिड, मोनो मीन्स सिंगल, इट मीन्स द एसिडिक एसिड अटैच टू द ओनली वन Cl called as the monochloroacidic acid, which is the pK value 2.86. Next here, dichloroacidic acid, which have the 2 Cl attached to the acidic acid, the pK value 1.26. Example now last year, trichloric acid, which have the 3 Cl 1 2 3, which have the pK value is 0.6. What indicate this column? This column indicate that more the halogen atom, more the Cl, or increase the quantity of Cl toward the carboxylic acid, the pK value is what here decreases. What here beta? Decreases. That's why the pK value decreases. So what increases? K value increases, means the acidic character or strength what increases. तो दिखाई दे रहा, ठीक है, समझ में आया बेटा आपको। तो आपको याद रखना है, सिंपल से क्या याद रखना है बेटा आपको कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफेक्ट डायरेक्टली एसिडिटी पर इफेक्ट करता है कि एसिड की। अगर वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अटैच्ड है तो वो के वैल्यू उसकी इंक्रीज होगी और पीके वैल्यू डिक्रीज होगी, और कंपाउंड जो होगा स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रेंथ बनाएगा, यानी एसिडिक कैरेक्टर दिखाएगा। और अगर किसी एसिड पर अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन रीडिंग ग्रुप है, फॉर एग्जांपल CH3 वगैरह है, तो वो कार्बो ऑक्सिलिक एसिड को डिस्टेबलाइज करेगा और पीके वैल्यू को इंक्रीज करेगा और के वैल्यू को डिक्रीज करेगा, और कंपाउंड क्या बनेगा? वीक एसिडिक बनेगा। ये आपको याद रखना है इसमें, क्लियर है। और जितना ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम अटैच करेगा एसिड पर, उतना ही कंपाउंड की पीके वैल्यू कम होगी और के वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी, और कंपाउंड क्या बनेगा? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिडिक बनेगा, ठीक है। जो एग्जांपल देखा हमने, एफ इज इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, हाई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एज कम्पेयर टू व्हाट हियर द विच एटम हियर द एनी एटम इज हियर क्लोरीन फ्लोरीन ब्रोमीन, ठीक है बेटा। इस तरीके से आपको याद रखना है, सिंपल टॉपिक है बेटा। तो हमने क्या देखा? केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, बेट इज द पॉइंट नंबर फर्स्ट, एसिडिक कैरेक्टर ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। सो in the carboxylic group, in the carboxylic acid, the carboxylic group R shows the acidic character of the carboxylic acid. So in the carboxylic acid, it have the one OH and one carbonyl group. That's why the any compound in which the dissolve in a water molecule or acid dissolved in a water molecule, it gives the H plus ion. It shows the which character? Acidic character. Second here, the carboxylic acid also stabilized by the resonance structure. More the any compound or acid give the more resonance, more will the stabilize and more will be the acidic character. तो यहाँ पे दो ऐसे अपने को क्या देता है बेटा? यहाँ पे रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर देता है। नेक्स्ट ईयर, द इन्फ्लुएंस और इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफेक्ट ऑन द acidity of carboxylic acid. So electronic effect is also called what? Inductive effect. It has two types, plus or minus. Plus effect called as electron reading group, minus effect called what? Electron withdrawing group. So how to determine the strength or acidity of the carboxylic acid or acid? So depend upon the two parameter. One is called as pK value and second is called Ka value. So more the less the pK value, more is the Ka value, compound form the more strong or more acidic strength. If the pK value is more, Ka value is less, so compound form the less acidic and what here the weak acid. ये पैरामीटर आपको याद रखने हैं। नेक्स्ट ईयर एग्जांपल देखा, अगर किसी एसिड से स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम अटैच्ड है तो पीके वैल्यू उसकी डिक्रीज होगी और क्या इंक्रीज होगी? एसिडिक कैरेक्टर क्या होगा? उसका इंक्रीज होगा, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिविटी कम हो रही है तो पीके वैल्यू क्या हो रही है बेटा? यहाँ पर बढ़ रही है। पीके वैल्यू बढ़ रही है मतलब उसका जो स्ट्रेंथ है क्या हो रहा है? कम हो रहा है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट ईयर कंपाउंड में यानी कि इक्वल टू ग्रुप है तो क्या होगा? देखो, मोर द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम इंक्रीजेस, यहाँ पे 1 Cl है, यहाँ 2 Cl है, तो पीके वैल्यू क्या होंगे? सी बेटा यहाँ पर डिक्रीज होगी और कैरेक्टर क्या बढ़ेगा? एसिड स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगा, ठीक है। इस तरीके से हमने देखा व्हाट हियर द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। ओके, इजी है। थैंक यू सो मच।